Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you the easiest way that I found to make a strong and easy tote bag. To make this bag, you'll need a piece of fabric that is 15 inches wide and 34 inches high. You'll also need a pocket, mine was 7 inches by 8 inches, and two straps that are 3 inches wide and 21 inches long. Fold the fabric in half with right sides together and clip the side seams. Sew along the sides using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Finish the raw seams with an overlocker or a zigzag stitch. Press the side seams for a nice crisp finish. To make the straps, fold one edge in towards the wrong side by 3/8 of an inch and press along. Then repeat the step for the other side. Fold the entire strap in half towards the wrong side and press along. Sew both long edges to neatly finish the straps. Taking the top part of the bag, fold the edge under towards the wrong side by 1 inch twice and press all along. Sew close to the edge all along to finish the top. Now it's time to attach the straps to the bag. Turn the bag inside out and mark 3 inches in from both side seams to determine where the straps will sit. Then fold the bottom edge of the strap under by 3/8 of an inch and align at the 3 inch mark. Take the other end of the strap and repeat the same process. Sew a square shape to strongly attach the straps to the top edge of the bag. Now we're going to sew the pocket to the front of the bag. Neaten all 4 corners of the pocket with an overlocker or a zigzag stitch. Fold the top edge under towards the wrong side by 1 inch and press. Sew along the edge. Then fold the sides and the bottom of the pocket in towards the wrong side by 3/8 of an inch and press in place. Align the pocket to the center of the tote bag with the right sides facing up. Pin the pocket in place to secure it, but only pin through the front of the tote bag. Sew along the sides and the bottom close to the pocket edge. And here's the final tote bag. It's honestly the easiest and quickest method I love to use. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.